The color balance shader allows us to manipulate the color of an image within our scene, and to get it to work we would just need it to use it on some type of image within our scene. So we can take a picture and drag it into our scene tree here, and we'll just scale it up a bit so we'll be able to see a bit better. Now if we go into the built-ins within the shader tab and the filter folder, there is the color balance, and we can just drag that right onto our picture. And if you click on the color balance icon, it takes you into the properties editor here. We don't have too many choices, but we do have a brightness, so we can take this down to 0. We can increase it all the way up to a higher number to really increase the brightness if need be, and you can see how that affects the picture. There's also a contrast, so we can take the contrast down into the negative numbers and or again increase it very high to increase the contrast greatly. There's a little reset button next to each setting, so if you just want to set it back to the default setting, you can just hit that button. And then we have a saturation as well, so you can decrease the saturation and or increase it on your picture as well. And then finally you have the hue, so you can change the hue of this right within this shader itself. Now this is a little bit different than going into your server and clicking on an image and double clicking it and changing it within the texture editor or image editor here. You do have a couple of the same options in here, but you need to click around to get the exact same settings from brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue, as they're not all found within one setting within this texture editor. So using the color balance is a quick way to change the color within an image that's already within your scene here.